Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Force Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a glass screen protector for my Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so you decided to pick up the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra and you might be looking for a screen protector. I picked up this easy fit glass screen protector from Spigen from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. Now hopefully it's not sold out by the time you watch this video. I looked at this like a week ago, almost 2 weeks ago, and it was sold out. I looked at it a couple days ago and it was back in stock, so I decided to pick it up. I wanted something to protect that big, beautiful 14.6 inch screen, and this one was reasonable from Amazon, so I'm gonna decide to give it a try. It looks like it comes with like a kit to install it or something to hold the tablet in, which is not bad. But this box is humongous. If you want to watch the video, nice and simple, little packaging from Spigen. I mean, I won't say little packaging. This thing's big. So what I'm gonna do is pause the video, open this box up, and show y'all what we get in the box. All right, so I was able to go ahead and open the box up. You do get some instructions. You might want to read that before you install it. Also that, thank you for choosing Spigen. You can go to the website and watch a video. Also in the package, you get lens screen cleaning wipes, a microfiber cloth. It looks like a squeegee to get out some bubbles, some dust removers. You get the screen protector itself, and then you get this little holding guide thing, tablet holder, whatever you want to call this thing. It looks like you have camera cutouts at there. It has like top, and then it also has like a charging port symbol down here that says bottom. So let's get this going. The first thing I'm gonna say is turn off your tablet. Look at this thing. Okay, so once you turn off the tablet, you just wanna set this in place here. Then you get your little packet here and get out some wipes. For the purpose of the video, I might speed this up because I don't think y'all really care about me wiping down my screen, but you want to wipe it good. Make sure you get all your fingerprints off. Then you take your microfiber cloth, clean that off, dry off your screen. Then you want to take a dust remover. You want to make sure you get all the dust off of here. Take your time. All right, then you take your screen protector. All right, so you take your screen protector here. It has a back little tab here. You want to pull that off. Gently though. And then you want to line it up with your screen and the notch. So it has a notch cut out, and it has these little holes here. And what you want to do is press and then slide your finger and kind of let it just do itself. Then what you do is your squeegee, and you just squeegee out the big air bubbles. Just make sure you get them out. You might get some stubborn ones. And if you have to, use your fingers to force them out. That looks pretty good. Then you take the other screen wipe, and we're going to check out the fit of this thing. Hopefully the guide put the cameras in the right spot. But it still wants to give me an air bubble over here. Now let's see the overall fit. All right, so here's the overall fit. I don't know if that will come off on camera or not, but it comes close to the edge here. The camera cut out. I just want to see if it works with the fingerprint. So let me power this bad boy on. I'll be right back, y'all. All right, so it's back on. Let me unlock it real quick. I'm gonna lock it and see if the fingerprint scanner still works. Y'all seen that? The fingerprint scanner still works. The touch sensitivity is great. Still feels like I'm touching the tablet. I was worried about the fingerprint scanner actually working. Let's see, pen. The pen still works too, that's awesome too. Man, so yeah, if y'all want to pick up this Spigen screen protector, I will have the links in the description again. Look at that. If you want to pick it up, look in the description. I will have it there. Hopefully it's not sold out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForwardReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out.